Top vegetables for good health. Spinach. Packed with iron and vitamins, spinach supports bone health and boosts the immune system. Kale. Kale is a nutrient powerhouse, loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, and promotes eye health. Broccoli. Rich in fiber and antioxidants, broccoli aids digestion and may reduce cancer risk. Carrots. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, promoting eye health and glowing skin. Bell peppers. High in vitamin C, bell peppers strengthen immunity and support healthy skin. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber and beta-carotene, supporting gut health and immunity. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contain lycopene, which may reduce the risk of heart disease and certain cancers. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are hydrating and support skin health with vitamins and antioxidants. Cauliflower. Packed with vitamins C and K, cauliflower aids in bone health and immune function. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are rich in fiber and antioxidants, promoting digestive health. Zucchini. Low in calories and high in vitamins, zucchini supports heart health and digestion. Asparagus. Asparagus is a good source of folate, supporting cardiovascular and mental health. Onions. Onions are packed with antioxidants and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Spinach. Loaded with fiber and iron, spinach supports gut health and helps prevent anemia. Mushrooms. Rich in vitamins and minerals, mushrooms support immune function and overall health. Peas. Peas are high in protein and fiber, aiding in muscle health and digestion. Eggplant. Eggplants are low in calories and high in fiber, supporting weight management. Cabbage. Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable with cancer-fighting properties and digestive benefits. Artichokes. Artichokes are packed with fiber and antioxidants, supporting digestive and heart health. Beets. Beets are high in nitrates, which may improve blood flow and athletic performance. Incorporating these vegetables into your diet provides a wide array of nutrients and health benefits for overall well-being. Thank you for watching our video. Like and subscribe our channel.